Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and I'm here at the San Clemente outlet Saturday. That means it's time for cars and coffee. Come on, let's go check it out. I am liking this Porsche Speedster.
One Cherry 33. Ford. This is a Ford.
C-H-R-Y.
I have a 27 Chrysler.
Okay.
Yeah, everybody says that.
Yeah, I thought, well, I thought people figure out it's cherry.
Have to. What can you do, right? Oh well, you're right. I tried. That's right. Gotta get A for effort, right? Actually, it's a. There was no discussion.
I'm filming this episode of Cars and Coffee with the new Sony f2.8 16-35 G Master lens. This is a super wide angle lens. I'm just holding it right out like a foot in front of me, and you should see all my body. It's an extremely expensive lens, but it's just sharpest wide angle lens you can get. So hope you enjoy it. Punch buggy. Oh, Sally's not here. Okay, let's see what's a supercar row. We have a McLaren. McLaren 650. Ferrari. Ferrari, another McLaren. Oh no, yellow Testarossa. Porsche. It looks like Porsche and Ferrari days. Magnum PI's Ferrari. Another Magnum PI Ferrari. Ford GT. Hot Wheels Camaro. Blue McLaren 650. Ferrari. McLaren 720. Another McLaren 720, almost like touching doors. Nice. Oh wow, this is very nice. A McLaren with a hood scoop. And of course the two Camaros.
That's a 650 Le Mans. So.
Besides coffee, they also have donuts and soft drinks. Not sure if you guys can see the detail in the carbon fiber work, but you notice that it's fit right down the middle, and notice the carbon fiber weave going this way at 45-degree angle, but then on this side it goes the other way. All right, so and you notice they meet right there in the center, like they match right up. It's details like that. You know, that's what you're paying $350,000-$400,000 for. See another example. The carbon fiber weave on the left side of the car, you know, slants down to the left, and if you go the other side, see the weave, it slants down to the right. So they're both symmetrical. Same thing here. Look at the center right there. You can see the center point. So the weave on this side slants down that way, and the weave on that side slants down the other way. I know this is Cars and Coffee, but that is a beautiful looking bike. My word, look how low it is. This is crazy. Check. Look at this suspension system. Okay, it's on a bag system, so obviously, you know, you can't ride it like this. It's too low. You can see the bag system here raises the bike up to a rideable state. It has a single side sway arm. You notice you just see the wheel on this side, the drivetrain's on the other side there. Look at that big swing arm. That's awesome.
Tacoma?
That is totally awesome. I love it. So we have two Ferrari 308s here. The black one is a Bonanetta. Basically, it means it's a hard top. And the red one is a Targa. So you can take the section of the roof off. I like the red. Mostly because in the black one, my head will hit the roof. In the red one, my head will just stick out of the roof, so that'll be fine. Now, if the badge is real, and this thing really does have a 454, this thing's worth a lot of money. Bridget, what are you doing? It's the meet and greet dog day. Now here is a rare sight, a Corvette with a front license plate. Man, look at the size of this thing. It takes up like double long. This is like the ultimate glamper. You know, you want to go camping anywhere, you take this.
Yeah. Yeah, so there's a heater, stove, shower.
Let's see what's in the back here. Wow, look at that. That's serious. Yeah, it's pretty much the ultimate adventure vehicle.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at his
Okay, I hope you enjoy all the cars here at Cars and Coffee, here at the St. Timothy Outlet in South Orange County. I come here every Saturday to walk the dog, charge the Tesla, and check out the cool cars. So I hope you enjoy. This is John Chow from johnchow.com. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and share my video. Give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.